Good morning, friends. Today I am Purushottam Mathur and I am going for a technical talk. The issue of my technical talk is humanoid robots. We are living in 21st centuries and now this is the age of bots. Now, everyone should know about it. Humanoid robots are a part of robots and this is just to duplicate the humans. A humanoid robot is having its body shape resemble to like human body. In general, humanoid bots have a torso, a head, two arms, two legs, just like a human does. It is not only to replicate the body of the human, but it is made on also to replicate the all the functions which a human can perform. Androids are humanoid robots built to aesthetically resemble the human beings. Humanoid robots are not used as research tools in specific scientific areas. Research studies of the human body structures behavior to build the humanoid robots. Human recognition is a field of study which is focused on how human learns for sensory informations in order to acquire the perceptual or motor skills. This knowledge is used to develop the computation model of human behavior and its improvising over the time. It is being suggested that very advanced robotics will facilitate the human enhancements. Although the initial aim of the humanoid research was to build better orthosis and prosthesis of human beings, knowledge has been transferred between both disciplines. A few examples of power legs prosthesis for neuromuscular impaired leg prosthesis and forearm prosthesis. Besides the research, humanoid robots are being developed to perform human tasks like personal assistants through which they should be able to assist the sick and elderly and dirty dangerous jobs which are human life by which our human lives can be affected. In essence, since they can use the tool and operate the equipments and vehicle designed for the human forms, humanoid robots can theoretically perform any task that a human being can perform through the softwares and through the more technologies like sensors and etc. 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 They are also becoming increasingly popular as the entertainers. For example, Ursula, a female robot, sings, plays, dances, and speaks also. At the Universal Studios, it speaks like the human beings. Although these robots look realistic, they have no cognition or physical autonomy. Human robots, especially those with artificial intelligence algorithm, could be useful for the future dangerous or I say uh, distant space exploration missions without having the need to turn them back around again and return to the earth once the mission is completed. Another characteristic of the humanoid robot is that they move, gather information of the real world and interact with us. They don't stay still like factory manipulators and other robots that work in highly structured environment. To allow humanoids to move in complex environments, planning and control must focus on the self collision detection, path planning, and obstacles avoiding. Uh, I think so. I should give some of the examples. It is not means I don't say that it is not a very new idea of making a robot. In 250 BC, the Lizzie described an Ottoman robot. It was not actually perfect like nowadays, but that at that time it only consists of motors and only the driver only, and it could not provide the directions. And after all, now many things have changed. In 50 AD, Greek mathematician Hero Alexandria described a machine that automatically pours wine for the party of the guests. In 1738, Jacques de Vaucanson built the flute player, a life-size figure of the shepherd that could play 12 songs on the flute and the tambourine player. In 1774, Pierre Jacques Dreyfus and his son Henry Louis created Trotman, musician and the writer, a figure of the boy that could write message of a 40 character long. Manav, India's first 3D robot. It was made as the humanoid robot, set a training and the research institute at Dwarika. It was made in 2014 in recent years. In 2014 again, and after the acquisition of Albert D. Brand, Softwand Robotics releases the Pepper robot available for the everyone. In 2015, Sofia, which we are much familiar with, it recently visited India for collecting some information about the languages and culture, etc. It was made in Hong Kong, modeled by Audrey Hemferberg. It is artificially intelligent robot made by the Hong Kong government subsidized, I think so. 2017, PAL Robotics launches TAL OS 57, a fully electrical humanoid robot with joint torque sensors and EtherCAT communication technology that can manipulate up to 6 kg payload in each of its grippers. Thank you, friends. This is the whole information which is much required in for a humanoid robot in the 21st centuries. Everyone should know about it, and the future generation should also know about it. Thank you, and have a very